To drop ship supplements. A great tool to use is one that helps source and create products, allowing for customized labels and drop shipping. This process can be done using a popular e-commerce platform. First, accounts with both the supplement tool and the e-commerce platform are needed. The supplement tool offers a free account sign-up, and the e-commerce platform provides a 14-day free trial and a discounted first month. After signing up for both accounts, the next step is to connect the store to the supplement tool. This involves clicking on the Connect a Store option, selecting the e-commerce platform, and installing the necessary app. Once connected, the e-commerce platform will have the supplement tool app integrated. The next step is to create products for the supplement drop shipping business. This is done by browsing the product catalog, finding desired products, and customizing them. For example, if the category of proteins and blends is chosen, the available products can be viewed, and a specific product like collagen can be selected. The pricing, product delivery restrictions, and other details can be seen, making it essential to choose products that fit the target market. A great feature of drop shipping supplements is the option to create recurring subscription type prices, allowing for monthly shipments and potentially increasing revenue. After selecting a product, it can be customized and sold by changing the product name, description, and designing a custom label. The label design can be done using a design tool, and the finished design can be uploaded to the supplement tool account. Once the product is customized, it can be added to the e-commerce platform store. The store needs to be set up, and a payment method must be added to cover the cost of the products when orders are received. The payment method is necessary because the supplement tool will charge for the product and ship it to the customer when an order is placed. After setting up the store and adding a payment method, the product can be published, and samples can be ordered if desired. The product will be visible in the e-commerce platform store, and the price can be adjusted to ensure a profit margin. The images of the product can also be removed or replaced if necessary. The supplement tool offers different plans, including a free plan and paid plans with additional features like product mockups and discounts. The paid plans can be beneficial for businesses that sell a significant amount of products, as the discounts can help increase profit margins. When an order is received, it can be fulfilled manually or automatically, depending on the e-commerce platform settings. Automatic fulfillment can be set up by adjusting the order processing settings in the e-commerce platform. Once the order is fulfilled, it will be visible in the supplement tool account and the e-commerce platform store. Overall, drop shipping supplements can be a profitable business, and using the right tools and following the correct steps can help ensure success. By customizing products, setting up a store, and fulfilling orders, it is possible to start making money through drop shipping supplements.